Hi guys, as a fashion designer, beaded lace is one of the lace that gives us stress, okay? And for us to sew it at times we use hammer, hit hammer on them, break it. Now, introduction to this bead footer. Now, this is bead press footer, meaning with your pearls, stones on your bead, you have nothing to be scared of and worry. You can actually make your dress, okay? Now, with this footer is a new innovation, they are always trying to make sewing more easy. You can actually sew your lace, your beaded lace, your stone lace, any kind of design that is on it, even if it's sequence. Okay, you can actually, and this is how it comes out, any kind of lace you can join it. All right, now put it in on the fabric and joining it together, making it two to sew. All right, some people think it cannot, so it can sew, so let's try it out. All right, now that is doll face, and that's a sequence mixed with stones lace, so let's sew it. Now, this is a new footer. It is easy. Now, I heard so many it's expensive, but in this video, I will be showing you where to get it very cheap, as low as 3,800 naira. You can get this footer. All right. So, this is it. It can sew any kind of lace, beaded, sequence, any kind of pearls, stones, it can sew it. All right, so let's check out how you can see it is sewn. Turn it. This is it. It is sewn. No opening anywhere. Okay, so hope you can see what it can do. That is what it can do. It makes your sewing of lace, any kind of lace. Maybe the stone there is 10,000 stones. Do not worry. This footer makes the job easy. Okay, so let's move to where you buy it. Now, this is it. This is the footer we're talking about. Okay, you can see it. Now, where is this? This is TEMU. Now, this is not a paid advert. It's not a paid advert. I'm just trying to help. Okay, this is TEMU. Okay, when you get to TEMU, you search for press footer, or you search for special press. So you can search for a special footer, presser foot made for new black, whatever, but you can search for press footer or beaded lace footer, and it will come out this way. Okay, now when you search for it, just remember the presser footer or bead presser footer. Okay, now it comes in two colors, basically in black and silver, and you can see the price on this one is 4,495,000 naira. Sorry, not thousand naira, just 4,000, approximately 4 5. Okay, and you can see the review of people that have used it. All right, now another thing is, this is the brand that I this PMB, they sell more of tailoring stuff. Okay, another thing is, you can equally search PMB on the search button. All right, the search section, click on it, you search for PMB sewing. Okay, when you click on it, it brings out the footers. Okay, now look at the price of this one, 4,002. Now it comes in, they are the same but different prices, different people sell it. So you see that search section on the search table. All right, when you go back to the page the way it is, you click on it, you can search PMB sewing. All right, that is the store on Temu that I saw that one on. It's not just one store, it's different store. And one thing they have in common is presser foot. Right, that is what they have in common. Now I searched for PMB and it brought it out. Okay, you can see it. This is it. This is the one they gave me, and it give is at 8,000. So you can see the price here is 8,195, but this is not from the store. So basically it varies, the prices varies, but they are the same thing. Okay, you can see as you keep scrolling down, you keep seeing the footers. Okay, the prices vary, so just find the one that is the same price, and if that did not work, just go back to the search bar and click search, type presser foot. All right, you see for bead, presser foot for beaded fabric, beads or sequence. You can go for sequence. Let's work with sequence. I saw bead, I equally saw, so let's go and see. I typed presser foot for sequence. That is it, it brought it out. Okay, now it has so many prices. You can see 9,000, 6,000, 4,000. All right, 5,000, 4,000, 6,000, 6,000. All of them 5,000, 5,000 something, 6,000. Basically, you see the price. Now you see that cheapest one of 3,759 naira. All right, that is the cheapest. Now you will ask yourself, is it that the cheap one is not good? My dear, they are all good, the same footer, just different sellers. There are places you go to and you can buy things cheap. There are places you go to that you can buy expensive. All right, some sell cheap, some sell, so different prices, but they actually do the same job, the same quality. All right, just that the store you're buying from feels it should be sold this way. The other one feels it should be so. So guys, give this